Hello friends, welcome back to the funny video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to upload guys Infinix phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show guys Infinix phone guys applock setup setting, how to set up applock, how to use applock setting in Infinix mobile one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. So then first of all open your phone setting. After on phone setting, friends, you can see this type interface on your Infinix mobile. On your Infinix mobile, friends, scroll it and friends click here security setting, and friends click here app lock setting. So friends, we will on app lock setting, and friends do your app lock pattern lock. So which pattern friends do you like? Select your pattern. So friends, I will do this pattern. Again guys, same pattern, and guys enter your security question, and guys security question is very important, don't forget your security question. Okay friends, done. Friends, which app you want to look guys, select your app. Example friends, I will look my file app, my game app, Gmail app, Play Store and Photos app. Friends, I will log. Friends, you can see when I will on my phone file, friends you can see file is locked. So when I will draw pattern, I can unlock my file. Same here friends, you can see Play Store setting, Play Store is locked. When I will draw my app lock password, I can unlock Play Store app and I can use it. So like that friends, you want to start app lock setting, you can start app lock and you can use on your device. And friends, you can see Photos app is also locked. So like that friends, we can use app lock setting, we can start app lock on Infinix mobile. And friends, again open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, again click a security setting, app lock setting, draw pattern, setting icon, friends click here, friends click here change password. Friends, you want to change your app lock password, friends you can draw new pattern. So friends, I will draw this Z, and friends you can check app lock password will change. Friends, you can see this is wrong password, Z is right. And friends, you want to unlock any app, so guys you can unlock app from here. So which app friends you want to lock, you can select app again, and you want to unlock any app, so you can unlock. So friends, now I will lock YouTube app. So friends, you can see when I will on YouTube app, friends you can see YouTube app is locked, and when I will draw my app lock password, I can unlock YouTube app. And friends, you don't want to use app lock setting, so friends click here app lock setting, draw pattern, click here enable app lock setting, turn off app lock setting. Friends, app lock will off, and friends you cannot use app lock setting on your device. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.